Imagine having an idea for a new app. Until recently, turning that concept into a reality meant learning programming languages, writing thousands of lines of code, and spending months building the foundation. Computers rely on syntax, a highly rigid, mathematical language that few people speak fluently. This visualization shows the translation cost. A single human intent must be broken down into thousands of complex, interlocking data strings just to function within a machine's logic. This complexity created a graveyard of unbuilt innovations, where projects stalled simply because the creator couldn't bridge the technical gap. For decades, the technical knowledge required to build software acted as a filter, separating those with ideas from those with the power to execute them. We are entering a period where you can speak to the machine in your own language. Plain English sentences now function as valid programming commands. You can tell an AI to create a website for a business, build a fitness tracker, or design an online store with a built-in payment system. As the diagram demonstrates, the AI interprets the semantic intent of the sentence and generates the underlying structural code instantly. That code becomes a working website or app that appears in front of you in seconds. This shift shrinks the timeline from an idea to a finished product, moving from months of manual labor to near-instant generation. Developers around the world are already using AI as a coding partner. The AI handles repetitive tasks like finding bugs, suggesting improvements, and writing standard functions. This timeline comparison shows the difference. On top, the traditional path of manual troubleshooting. On the bottom, the accelerated pace of AI-augmented development. By automating the manual typing of syntax, the focus of software development has moved from the mechanics of writing code to the logic of directing it. If AI can generate entire applications from simple instructions, the role of the traditional programmer must change. Today, these tools make developers more powerful. AI manages the repetitive mechanics, which allows the human developer to focus on high-level architecture and solving larger problems. Humans are moving from manual assembly to a role more akin to an architect, designing the systems that the AI builds. This shift makes the ability to build sophisticated tools accessible to almost anyone. The distance between a person's vision and a working digital product is smaller than it has ever been. Software creation is rapidly evolving into a discipline that relies on clear communication as much as technical logic. The future may belong to those who know how to communicate their ideas to AI. Technology has moved from being a technical barrier to a tool for human intent, expanding the power to build to anyone who can clearly define what they want to create.